evidentiary video of bird harassment. I'm just going to let it play for a little while so you can hear what's going on out here. And of course, whenever I start to record or speak into my phone when recording the harassment of my birds, the criminals stop. But the birds are harassed. My roosters are freaking out. The roosters are what senses danger on the property, protecting his girls and the guineas. And they start cackling. It's not normal this time of the day for them to be going crazy like this. And even the guineas. And for all you people that have roosters, you know what I'm talking about. When it's incessant, they're being harassed. They're being targeted with radio frequencies, the way I'm harassed with radio frequencies crossing my property. I'm going to sign off for now because I've got a much longer video to post.